Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Mitsubishi EA8M. It was new in 2013. It's serial number 03MV8643. You have the C-axis on the machine. It's equipped with the Mitsubishi control. The machine's also equipped with a 4x7 position shuttle type 3R tool changer. So that's your X and Y axis. He's rotating the C. Well, the axes are nice and quiet. That's your Z axis, up and down. We're going to do a tool change now. Set an index back to 0 and move over to the shuttle. The machine's equipped with again the C-axis, doing the tool change over for the next tool. It has an FP60EA power supply. There you go. Completed the tool change. It's going back to its position. The machine is presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power. Thank you for watching.